Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by prepping the bike and the GPS unit, clear workspace and remove seat. Once done, disconnect the battery negative to avoid shorts, and confirm you have the Jupiter 125 wiring harness and a 5A inline fuse. Next, identify the ACC12V feed near the ignition harness and a clean chassis ground point. These supply switched power. Make sure the GPS mount location is reachable for wiring. You want a waterproof connector and a tidy route for the cable. Do not rush this. You now wire power and the antenna carefully. First, run the GPS power lead to the ACC12V and install the 5A inline fuse within 2/6 cm of the source. Once done, attach the ground to a factory bolt with good metal contact. Paint or rust ruins the connection. Route the antenna coax high and away from the ignition coil to avoid interference, and stick the antenna to the highest practical plastic surface. Make sure data or serial connections match pinouts. Tape and zip tie all joints to prevent. You finish by reconnecting the battery and powering the GPS. Allow it a few minutes to get a satellite fix and watch for stable position and speed data. Once you see lock, perform a short test ride to confirm compass stability and that the mount holds under vibration. If the unit fails to lock or resets, check the inline fuse first, then verify ground continuity and that the antenna is not shielded by metal. Finally, update GPS firmware if available. This often resolves odd behavior.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.